For us, it's hard to find because we are too short, and he's tall and can see. Okay, there he is.
Don't worry. And I'm almost getting killed here.
100.
You find me a woman.
I'll fight for you today here.
Discounted price, big sales, big offer, amazing offer.
Wow.
Eka ya doka.
He's a tourist.
Yes.
I'm a local. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode. Today we're gonna do what? And where are we gonna go?
We're heading off to Guwahati to buy some Christmas gift for our child.
And not only two of us, there is somebody else. Who is there?
Hello.
Who are you?
My name is James. You can call me the Black Barbarian.
And he's still a single.
Agi, let's go.
Let's go, guys! Welcome to Fancy Bazaar again. Actually, a few months ago we did our first episode in this place, and now it's gonna be the second one.
Yeah.
Let's see how it's gonna be.
With our friend.
Yeah, with our friend.
Because it's a first time for him
Yes,
here
yes,
in
yes.
Guwahati. So
Where he is? Look at him. He looks like a tourist. Look at him. He's taking a pictures like a tourist here, nah? Oi, tourist! Oi, tourist!
Hello.
Hello, hello! How are you?
Doing good?
You are doing good.
Yeah.
Taking some pictures more.
Taking a video.
Video.
Yeah.
Kumta.
Can we get some food?
Yes, some food.
let's go.
First time in Guwahati.
Yes, it is. Looks packed. And I'm almost getting killed here.
Need to take care here in Indian traffic.
Yes, of course.
Need to take care of here in Indian traffic.
Busy. It's a busy street.
Yeah, you need to
It's
be
a busy street. Yeah.
very busy. You need to look left and right all the time.
Show us the way.
Follow me. Follow me.
100. My friend is lost already. Where he is? My goodness, this Oh, here it is. Here it is.
What were you looking for? Did you lose something?
Yes, I thought that you are already lost somewhere. But
No
here
way.
it is. Brother, you found something. What do you
Yeah, I
find?
found something interesting. He's serving these kind of flatbreads.
Uh-huh.
So
Show me.
I would like to try that.
Yeah. Show me a way. Show me a way. What do you find?
Hello.
This one.
What is this? Chana. Chana.
Chana. Okay, we do. Hey. Yes, all. Onion, chili, lemon. Looks good.
Hey.
I'm from Finland. Where are you from?
India.
India?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Good to see you.
YouTube channel?
Yeah, YouTube.
Name?
ABfamily.
ABfamily.
Yes, ABfamily. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Okay, let's try.
Let's try it. I want also. Okay, bye.
You want chana?
Chana, yes. Like that.
Give me your hand.
No, I will do
No,
like,
give me your hand.
just like this, like a, you know,
You
like
wanna drink it?
like a Finnish style. That's how we do it.
Okay.
No. Wow. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Spicy also.
Yeah, it's really good. I like it. I wish I knew what it's made from, but
I think it's a nuts or what? Yeah. Not.
it's this
Peanut.
kind of flatbread, you know? What this is made from. I have no idea.
I don't know, but
Also, they have I think it's peanuts.
yeah, there's peanut.
This is peanuts.
It's spicy also.
Flatbread. Chili.
Maybe have one more. Try it. I want to also see. This is called chana mo. A spoon hogan, eh? Chop. What is that
It's
one?
a smash one. Smash one.
What is that one?
Snake. Is it snake?
Snake. You sell snake?
लीजिए
Legia?
हाँ
Ah.
Snake.
How much?
100
Huh? What is extra? I give you 50 rupees for that one.
Ainakin jotain.
50 rupees I can give.
welcome
Not today, maybe tomorrow.
welcome
Welcome. Yeah.
Have some chana.
You want chana?
Chana.
He took
He took my chana.
He took your chana. So you want?
I wanted to pour. He was like, ah.
And-
No. I was like,
And then he just took it. Okay. You want another one?
one more.
Okay, one more. Brother, you could look very good with this one. What do you say?
I need to say it only.
I think this outfit here could fit very nicely
me,
for
huh?
him.
Yeah.
Definitely, with the color.
Maybe next time when I get
Yes,
here.
yes. This is an Indian style. Indian style, more. Yes,
Like an Indian
Very
suit.
good.
Is this for,
Good.
But this is not casual. It looks like
This
for
one formal. Formal, yes. Formal.
Which party do you use it for?
Yes. Which party? Wedding.
Wedding.
Ah.
Bro, I don't need that suit.
No, it's for you, brother.
We
It
will
is
do-
for you.
We will do the arranged marriage for him.
Yes.
Where will you find me a woman?
I'll find for you today here.
Here in Fancy Bazaar, we will find a wife for you.
Yes.
Ah, isn't it, guys? We find a wife. Yes.
Then afterwards we're gonna come and buy this. How much is it?
ABfamily, you can write there, ABfamily. Subscribe.
Subscribador.
Subscribe.
I have a subscribador.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right. Wow, nice jacket. This guy, look, handsome guy. Wow, my goodness. 200, 100, exo, Pisor. 200. More packed up around. I don't know where is our friend.
It's behind.
It is here.
You don't need to worry because he's very tall. We can see it, you know.
That's right.
For us, it's hard to find because we are too short, and he's tall and can see. Okay, there he is.
Don't worry about me. I'm normally in Finland, but suddenly in India I'm a giraffe.
Here you can actually in Fancy Bazaar, you can find strawberries. But I'm telling you, in our country, Finland,
The world's best strawberry.
best, right?
I'm not lying.
Guaranteed.
Better than Sweden, better than Norway, better than Poland, better than Estonia. It's the world's best
World
strawberry.
best. No
Better-
doubt.
The
You
best.
need to come. Because you know, like in India, I can guarantee in Meghalaya side we have best pineapples, oranges, so on. But strawberries.
You can keep the pineapple and oranges.
Ah.
In Finland we have the best strawberries.
That's no guaranteed.
Oh, can you hear that?
Which one?
The horn.
On, yes, you cannot. I mean, what you can expect here in India street, the only thing what you can hear is honking all the time.
James, you should dance that song.
What is that song? Could we dance it?
This is rickshaw.
Chike, acha.
Christmas decoration.
Christmas decorations.
We would decorate our house.
Yes, they've all. Is this the place?
Yes, of course. Let's go.
Yes, produce. What you like?
Saudara,
Wow.
what you like?
I know your festival to find jumbo.
Yes.
I'm that.
Yes, you're right.
Acha. Acha ne.
He speaks English.
Oh, yes. How are you, brother?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay, what is your name?
MCD, Marathodeka. MADHAD.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. My name is Aki. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Yes.
You come to England for
Finland. Yes, Finland.
Yeah, now what will like in Assam?
I love Assam.
Okay.
I love Assam.
Good place. Huh?
Yes, good place. Good place. Good people like you. No? That's what.
He have a good smile.
Yes. We need to buy
we need to buy
something to hang out for the Christmas
Good
tree.
one,
Right?
everybody. You
That
prove
side.
it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, we're gonna
thank you.
explore here. Nice people around. Hello. How are you? All good. So show me how it is.
This would be nice, the red color.
So we are now
Golden color.
we are finding the
Yeah.
decoration of the
Christmas tree.
tree. Yes, because we actually.
Full package for the package.
Oh, there is a packet
We have
also.
a package also. This is also nice. Red
Oh,
color.
it's nice also. And here in Guwahati also street food. Good. Acha. Street food in Guwahati, fancy bazaar, acha. Is it? Yes. Oh. Okay. Where is my wife? My wife is there.
Finally, we'll decorate our home. We'll make our home beautiful.
That's what. Christmas is coming.
But James,
Where is our friend James?
I think he went to find his lover.
Could be.
It would be nice if it
Yeah.
really happens like that.
Definitely. Why not?
So happy for him.
Yeah. Oh,
There. I thought he have found it. I thought you have found your lover.
Well, actually, there was a beautiful woman.
Oh yes.
Yeah, she was working,
Oh yeah.
so I decided to just walk past and
Oh.
bump into somebody.
hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
You're fine.
Hi.
What is your name?
Ramvilas Mato.
Kangelas Moto. My name is Aki. Nice to meet you. Acha. Okay.
Let's go there.
We go that side.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
All good. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have to
Yes.
keep it.
Okay. Yes, no problem. Okay, let's go inside.
Let's go.
Oh, I need to something.
Something, talking like this.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I got a gift. Some gift I got. You put it there. Have something for him. Something. Or
Pareng.
pareng. Two pareng.
Two.
One.
Imagine.
2 1 2 something more.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine, sir.
You're fine.
Yes, sir. You're from?
Yeah, I'm from Finland.
Yes.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What is your name?
My name is Junaid Jamshed.
Yuna Chamchet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my name is Aki. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
All discounted price, big sales, big offer,
Big
amazing offer.
Wow.
All 40% discount.
Wow, you come here and buy. You come here and buy. That's
Here
all.
only. Here
Here
only.
only.
Here only. No Guwahati. Here.
All
only.
in
Yes, themselves.
Everything is found here. Bags, shoes, flip-flops, you name it. Everything is found in this place.
Cosmetics.
That's what.
So you need to give the token to get
Yeah,
back.
token, so I can get free.
You get your bag back, right?
They don't want to take it or what?
You need to wait.
Oh, need to wait.
Yes.
There's a secret word. Please. Suomalainen näkyy tässä.
Kyllä.
Ihan selvä.
No, you are in India. You should speak in Hindi.
Oh, acha.
हाँ सिर्फ अच्छा नहीं
अच्छा नहीं.
नहीं
अच्छा
और दूसरा
अच्छा नहीं.
अच्छा है
अच्छा है.
हाँ
अच्छा है.
बढ़िया
Paria.
Paria, fantastic.
लीजिए लीजिए ये 250 का कुर्ता है
250 का कुर्ता है.
हाँ ये आपके लिए बहुत सूट होगा आपकी पत्नी के लिए बहुत सूट होगा
Something for him.
हाँ आपके लिए तो नहीं है सिर्फ आपकी पत्नी के लिए अगर आपको पत्नी के लिए खुश रखना है तो यहाँ से कुर्ता ले लीजिए 1 का या 2 का
100.
नो 200 200
200. Okay, अच्छा. 200.
हाँ
हाँ.
ठीक है ना
ठीक है.
चलिए हो गया अभी।
चलिए हो गया. Okay. Oi. Yo, welcome. Assam, welcome Guwahati, Assam, welcome Fancy Pasar, welcome. Oi. What is? Hello, brother. How are you? How are you?
Fine.
You're fine. Fine. Acha. Oh.
This is India.
This is India. What is your name?
Sandan Yadav.
Okay, my name is Aki. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
कहा जे कहा अच्छा आजा नारे तेरा 50. He's a tall man.
That was a giraffe. That was the real giraffe.
Yes. That's what. Jacket. Leather jacket. Thank you.
Hey man.
Hello.
What are you?
Oh, good. Oh,
Hey man.
hey, man. Oh, so you find something?
So cute.
Finland. Me and him. Finland.
Yes, Finland.
Tourist. Second time tourist. 2 times.
He's
Last
a
year, this year, next year.
He's a tourist.
Yes.
I'm a local. That's what. You are local? Yes, I'm a local. Thank you for joining us for another episode here in Guwahati Fancy Bazaar BC Street.
With Bye James.
Goodbye.
By James, yes. So
Yes.
thank you very much.
Stay here.
I
still have a mission, so
I'll
see you guys later. Okay, bye.
And unfortunately, we couldn't find a lover for him.
Oh, so he's going on his own way or what? Yeah, he's going.